It's a bespoke edition, one of 18, only made in the past 105 years. So it's a $1.5 million car. It's a lot of hard work that's put in it. And that's what makes this car so special to us. This car just embodiment of our hard work.
두바이에 이민 온 구멍가게 아들이 재벌이 됐습니다. 인도 제품을 수입, 판매하죠. 그의 꿈은 세계적 유통망 건설. 인도에서 제조 기술 독립을 꿈꾸는 이도 있습니다.
See, actually, everything that you see on the scooter is built in India, except the battery cells.
인도 천재들의 성장은 빠르고 도전 분야도 다양합니다.
The previous financial year to 13,000 odd crores this year.
Last year, almost all the watches, the smart watches in the country were shipped from China. But now, almost all the smart watches in the country are made in India itself. So there's a very large shift.
그리고 그들은 젊습니다.
Hey guys, so we hit 200,000 members on Blue Learn. So it's party time!
코로나19 팬데믹을 거치며 더 강력해진 인도. 창업으로, 기술로, 혁신의 길을 모색하는 인도 천재들의 도전에 주목합니다. 우리의 취재는 영국에서 시작됐습니다.
Hi, my name is Raoul Kohli. I'm a British Indian comedian of 10 years. I'm most famous for my podcast, of which I'm a star, Comics Sanskrit, a 6-part series, all on BBC Sounds. So I did a thing for Channel 4, short. It's coming out this Sunday called Jokes Only in I recorded a short for Channel 4 called Jokes Only an Indian Can Tell. It'll be out on their Facebook page.
정치 경제학 석사, 인도계 코미디언.
Second actor, brilliant Raoul Kohli! Come on!
자, 어떤 얘기를 하는지 들어볼까요?
Hello, Liverpool. How are you? Are you well?
Like the first time I seen Adolf Hitler giving a speech, I was like, oh, f***ing hell, that is terrifying. That is really terrifying. The first time I saw Rishi Sunak giving a speech, I was like, that is Indian Mr. Bean. How these f***ers have the audacity to drop a cost of living crisis on our doorstep. It kind of upsets me. Do you know what I mean? Because it's Rishi Sunak, it's one of my own. And us Indians, we're everywhere.
영국 분들 정말 좋아하네요. 요즘 영국 경제가 어렵거든요.
Yeah, the CEO of Google, also an Indian. The CEO of Pepsi is Indian, or was Indian. The CEO of Microsoft is Indian. The CEO of Twitter was Indian. Hang on, there's all these Indians in IT. We need Indians. Like, you know what I mean? You might not know. Is the Indian? Is he good? We don't care. He's Indian. Bring him in. Like.
풍자를 하다가 은근히 자랑까지.
I met a white kid from Bradford. And he had a stronger Indian accent than my dad.
라울의 코미디엔 인도인에 대한 자부심이 가득합니다. 사실 틀린 얘기는 없거든요.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the
Hey, it's fine. I'll be Prime Minister soon. That's exactly what this thing is about. If not Prime Minister.
Raoul Kohli!
박수가 쏟아집니다. 런던 히드로 공항 근처 인도인 밀집 지역 리틀 인디아 거리는 요즘 활기가 넘칩니다. 리시 수낙 총리 덕분일까요? 가슴 뿌듯한 일인 건 분명합니다.
The British used to rule the Pakistanis and Indians. Now the Pakistanis and Indians are ruling the British, yeah. And I love Rishi Sunak because he's ruling this country, and I think we would go we would go very with him ruling this country.
We did feel a sense of pride. We felt a sense of joy as well. And we knew he was the right man for the job. So we weren't too surprised either. If you look at Silicon Valley, parts of the US, even parts of Europe, in the UK as well, Indians are taking over as CEOs of large multinational companies, and it's becoming quite common as well now, so yes.
세계 정치 경제계에서 인도인 성공 사례가 크게 늘면서 인도인에 대한 인식이 달라지고 있는데요. 그 영향력이 상당합니다.
In the UK as Prime Minister, in the United States as Vice President, then you got them as CEOs of all the companies that they look up to. They begin to believe that these people are just like us. If they can achieve success, why can't we? That's what's changed India quite a bit over the last 10 or 20 years.
인도인의 대약진, 천재들의 도전은 어떻게 인도를 변화시키고 있을까요? 수도 델리에서 비행기로 5시간, 인도에서 가장 살기 좋은 도시로 손꼽히는 벵갈루루입니다. 흔히 인도의 실리콘밸리라 부르죠. 이름만 대면 알만한 세계적 빅테크, IT 기업들이 모여 있습니다. 우리 기업의 간판도 보이고요. 대규모 휴대폰 제조 공장이 착공을 앞두고 있습니다. 오후 5시, 퇴근 시간이 되자 세계 유명 기업의 사원증을 목에 건 이들이 쏟아져 나옵니다. 대부분 고학력의 기술 인력입니다.
My name is Atre and I work for a South Korean company since last 2 years after graduating from it. Yeah, it's like what I see is around 80-20. 80% Indians and 20% diversity. Like that's what I see. Earlier, like before 2 decades, I believe the major motivation for all those companies was cheap human resources in India. But nowadays things are really changed. It's not like we are no more there anywhere. Now it's a top-notch IT professionals and IT brain is developing in India. That's why whole world is coming to us.
이분들은 글로벌 마케팅 기업 직원.
I'm into search chatbot. So we get a conversation, what the customer says and what bot replies. Actually, it's a confidential, so we'll not be able to disclose anything of.
여긴 벵갈루루 고급 주택 단지입니다. 골프 코스와 수영장까지 갖춘 타운하우스가 들어서 있습니다.
Hi, I'm Kiran Bangalore. I work at Microsoft Corporation. I'm a group product manager with the Azure division at Microsoft. I lived in the US for about 16 years, all the way from 98 January to 2012, almost the end.
유명 IT 기업에 근무하는 고액 연봉자. 미국 실리콘밸리에 살던 그는 도대체 왜 돌아왔을까요?
This is my workplace. Even today, Microsoft, we have a work from home policy.
우선 일하는데 전혀 불편한 게 없답니다.
India had this advantage of being a call center for the world at some point, largely because I think the English language being taught here made a big difference. So a lot of call centers were here at that point. A big change we've seen the last transformation in the last 5 to 10 years, because the consumer in India is also growing up to be very affluent, to have money, to be able to play around, to try different things. So we start to see many new ideas in the world actually conceptualized in India first and then taken up in the other places. I think the world is starting to look at India very seriously in that sense.
부인 쇼마 씨가 집 구경을 시켜주겠답니다.
This is the master bedroom, and this is like a living room. Yes, it's a living cozy room, and we have this, if we want to relax. So it's more about relaxing, just You can just sit, put it up and then watch, fall asleep and then again see. This gives us a nice view.
여기가 미국인지 인도인지 헷갈릴 정도네요. 가족들 중 아무도 귀향을 반대하지 않았답니다. 인도가 그들을 불렀습니다.
One, I wanted to experience working in India. There was a lot of things going on in India, a lot of startups and everything. I wanted to experience that feeling. And I also wanted us to come back and get a feel for working in a different place. And I think I wanted our kids also to experience living in different countries. And I think that really helped. It's been 10 years now, and I think we've done most of that.
인도로 돌아온 또 다른 인재가 있습니다.
This place that you see is called Agrasan Ki Baoli. It's a place that was made by our ancestors, and I'm one of the descendants. I'm Pankaj Agarwal. And as you know, the Agarwal community is very precious and very popular in India because of one is the dedication to work, belief in education, and family values. Because my grandfathers believed in education, they shifted me to a boarding school far away from home. I was in a small village which had no good schools. And I studied in multiple places. I studied in IIT Kanpur, I studied in Seoul Hakkyo, in Seoul University in Korea, in Harvard Business School. So 3 countries, right? And it was possible because of the values that my family had towards education.
삼성에 근무하던 판카즈 씨는 2017년 사업가가 되어 벵갈루루로 왔습니다.
India, 1.4 billion people, one dream. 그렇게 이제 하는데요, 많이. 그 이야기가 모든 인도 사람들이 인도를 발전하기 위해서 열심히 하자. 한 꿈이고 인도를 어떻게 발전할 수
인도의 경제 성장률은 6% 이상, 세계 최고입니다. 하지만 부족한 인프라, 빈부격차, 신분제와 같은 오래된 관습은 여전히 경제 성장의 발목을 잡고 있죠.
할 일이 많아요. 사실은 올 때마다 일이 좀 많이 또 잘 되고 또 일정도 많이 잡히게 되고 물론 우리가 팀이 여기 있지만 그래도 제가 와야지만 되는 일들이 있으시잖아요. 그런 거 제가 이제 와서 하고 또 노력 많이 하죠.
ये कैसे ऑरेंज जूस
30 rupees plus.
हाँ
30 rupees plus.
क्या गूगल पे लेते हो हाँ एक जूस देना है
즉석에서 만들어주는데 완전 수동입니다.
오 땡큐
480원짜리 과일 주스.
पेमेंट कैसे करना पेमेंट
पेटीएम कर देंगे.
ऑनलाइन कैश भी लेते हो क्या ऑनलाइन भी करते हो हम ऑनलाइन करते थे ठीक है ना
QR 코드를 찍으면 결제가 된다고요?
이거 पेमेंट आया क्या 이거 आया क्या
결제 완료. 재래산업에 IT 서비스가 더해졌네요. 노점상은 물론이고 시장 곳곳에서 모바일 결제용 QR 코드를 발견했습니다. 은행 계좌가 없어도 신용카드가 없어도 이용할 수 있다는데요. 앱을 설치하고 우리 교통카드처럼 돈을 충전해 놓으면 된답니다.
또 된지 한 거의 오래되는데 인도 정부에서 한금 있잖아요. 그거는 좀 바뀌겠다고 해서 거의 온라인으로 많이 쓰라고 또 관리도 되고 하니까 그런 거 있었기 때문에 그때부터는 거의 많이 활성화됐어요. 이거.
2016년에 도입된 이 시스템은 인도 정부 주도로 빠르게 확산되고 있습니다. 꽉 막혀있던 인도 경제의 혈관에 피가 흐르기 시작한 겁니다.
So before COVID, I can tell it was being difficult for me to pay the cash. So since I had to get, if I had to buy the huge amount, like huge vegetables or fruits, something like that, I had to get many or like much money, like as such. So it was been a problem. So how much ever it is, even if it is a 5 rupee or a 2 rupee, I can pay it on a UPI. And this UPI has changed up plenty. It's changed a lot.
판카즈 씨는 이런 변화가 익숙한데요.
기다리고 있어요.
뭘 기다려요?
오토릭소? 일반 우버처럼, 우버이나 올라처럼 한국의 카톡 택시처럼 그렇게 잘 보이고 뭐 똑같아요 거의. 그냥 하면 오고 있어요 지금.
앱을 이용하자 금세 나타났습니다.
이해해나?
오토바이를 개조해 승객을 태우는 택시.
भैया चलिए अगस्त से चलिए.
문도 창문도 없는 택시가 신호등도 차선도 없는 도로를 달립니다. 그런데 내비게이션을 이용하고 요금 흥정 없이 정해진 요금을 모바일 결제합니다.
여기.
길 하나를 사이에 두고 60년대와 2023년이 공존하네요.
Hi Santosh, how are you?
판카즈 씨가 찾은 곳은 교육 교재 판매 회사. 스마트 교육기기를 개발했는데 그 판매를 논의하기 위해서죠.
Are you base station in Seoul or?
I'm like I stay on 50 days in India only. So half here, half there. The idea of
여기엔 원대한 꿈이 담겨 있습니다.
교육 is the equalizer. 제가 항상 생각하는 게는 education is the equalizer. 어떤 시골에 어떤 저 같은 애가 시골에서 하버드 비즈니스 스쿨까지 갔어요. 저만 아니고 여러 사람 그렇게 했고요. 그거는 이유가 뭐 있겠어요? 교육이에요. 교육 때문에 여러 기회를 받았고 그래서 다 교육이에요. 하지만 교육은 잘 받아야 돼요. 그리고 제일 중요한 거는 그 퀄리티 있는 교육 만들 수 있는 제공할 수 있는 시스템 만들어야 된다.
교육의 변화를 위해 사업 아이템을 들고 찾아온 판카즈 씨. 반응이 뜨겁습니다.
Today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, the founder and CEO at Tag Hive, a Samsung Ventures funded company based in South Korea and with operations in India. His mission is to transform classroom learning with Class Sathi. So let's welcome him with a huge round of applause and then I'll introduce you to him.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello to all the teachers, all the students. How many of you know Korean language? Oh, you know 안녕하세요? How many of you know BTS? Everybody? Wow. How many of you know Blackpink? Everybody? Wow. So, I am from South Korea. I stay there. You are the leaders, future leaders. I want to tell you a secret. Many people think that once I pass class 10 or class 12 or college, I'm done with education. No. You are a lifelong student. I am also a student. We have to learn every day. You have to study hard. Okay? You study hard. When you come for the exam, you need to be confident.
오늘 방문한 진짜 목적은 그의 제품을 점검하기 위해서입니다.
Okay, the first question. Find the value of 66 is subtracted from 99 by using the number line. You can go with normal subtraction and you can choose your option. Nobody will say the answer. Okay, you will just click on the correct option, that's all.
전자칠판에 문제가 나오면 아이들은 리모컨으로 답을 누릅니다. 인터넷에 연결되어 있지 않아도 사용 가능. 마치 게임 같네요.
Excellent.
So class Sathi is like quiz. Before we are doing without electronics, where we'd have write the marks on the board.
She has
성적은 물론 문제별 정답률 같은 각종 통계가 바로 집계된다는 이점도 있습니다.
But this is a new way of getting competition through education, and this is helping a lot of people so that they, instead of getting competitive by physical activities, also by mental activities and studies.
그렇다면 실제 성적이 좋아졌을까요? 판카즈 씨는 그게 궁금합니다.
See, it's now too short a time to let you know whether it has increased their skill. But one thing I can tell you, It has increased the excitement quotient.
14억 인구의 폭발하는 교육 시장에 주목한 판카제 씨.
인도의 미래 걱정하는 것보다는 인도의 미래를 만들 수 있는 기회를 받았기 때문에 기분이 좋습니다. 이거 시작이고요. 이걸로 같이 마무리는 할 수 없고 계속 또 질문해야 되고 계속 또 생각 많이 해야 되고 고민 많이 해야 되고 시간의 흐름에 맞춰서 또 제품 개발도 좀 해야 되고 그렇게 많이 이제 하려고 합니다.
인도를 위해 일할 수 있는 기회. 그게 판카제 씨가 돌아온 이유입니다.
What do you guys want for cornflakes? I think cereal. Cereal, bananas. We'll do that.
이때가 오전 8시.
Order has been confirmed. We just ordered 11 minutes and it will be here. They have dark stores set up 2 kilometers here. So within 2 kilometers they come very fast. We have been using this for almost 1.5, 2 years.
아침 일찍. 불과 11분 만에 배달이 온다고요? 아, 놀랍습니다. 벵갈루루에선 모바일 주문과 즉시 배달이 가능하다네요.
Got breakfast.
이 품목도 제한이 없어서 슈퍼에서 파는 건 다 됩니다.
Thank you.
언제부터 이게 가능했죠? 원래 이렇게 배달이 잘 됐나요?
Oh no, 10 years back this was not possible. I think in the last 3 years, internet penetration has increased a lot. So everyone has mobile phones, everyone has internet, and because of which a lot of new startups started coming. So booking a cab, ordering food online, watching Netflix, everything picked up very fast in the last 3 years because of good internet, cheap internet.
인터넷 보급은 젊은이들의 생각을 바꿔놓았습니다.
We are friends first and then colleagues. So it's a mix of both work and personal life. We live together, we go to the same office, and it's fun. And at the same time, we get work done.
Small thing, whatever you just use it.
취직하는 것보다 우리만의 아이템으로 창업을 하자.
And he lives in Bangalore, so it's easy for him to.
이 젊은이들은 그렇게 뜻을 모았고 실행에 옮긴 거죠. 인터넷, 모바일 기반 IT 기술은 대학에서 배웠으니까요. 올해 23살입니다.
Hi, I'm Harishatai Kumar. I'm the founder and CEO of BlueLearn. Shreyans and I, my co-founder, we were studying in one of India's top universities. It's called BITS Pilani.
사실 대학에 입학했을 때 부모님은 유명 IT 기업에 취직해 해외로 나가길 원했답니다. 창업은 성공 확률이 불투명하니까요. 대학생들이 만든 회사. 인도에서 공부 잘한다 박수받던 젊은이들은 어떤 아이디어로 어떻게 회사를 운영하고 있을까요? 여기가 블루런 사무실입니다.
Good morning, guys. This is Akshat from the operations team. And Vishal from the marketing team, he's always filming, and that's why he's filming this thing right now.
I'm at work. I'm filming you, filming me.
That's his work.
이들이 개발한 건 교육과 취업 정보를 다루는 플랫폼입니다.
So this is the BlueLearn app. We have two main products within the BlueLearn app. The first one are clubs. If anyone is interested in learning things like coding or startup or finance or Web3, blockchain, design, quizzing, they can simply join one of these clubs that we have today. Now, a lot of students...
언제 어디서건 모바일이 있다면 가능합니다.
We have some of the best mentors over here. So no matter which background you come from, no matter if you're rich, poor, doesn't really matter. As long as you have the passion, you can come here to learn new skills and to get great jobs, freelancing gigs and internships. So that's what we do at BlueLearn.
창업한 지 2년. 그런데요, 무려 400만 달러, 우리 돈 약 53억 원의 투자를 받았습니다. 글로벌 투자 회사들이 가능성을 본 겁니다.
I think one of the amazing parts about building technology companies is that you can literally start with almost zero money, right? So in the initial days, we just had to build a website and buy a domain name, which costed us like 15,000 rupees, and that's pretty much it.
이 정도면 아주 좋은 출발이네요. 이게 뭐죠? 정전인가요?
Bro, the lights went off again.
Yeah.
I think
the generator is not really working.
Yeah, it's like the third time lights are going today.
IT 회사인데 정전이 이렇게 잦아도 괜찮습니다.
So the generator starts in around 30 seconds. So then we are back on track in 30 seconds.
Yeah, mostly all of our data
all
is
of us
on
have
the cloud.
laptops, so
All of
it's
it.
not a problem.
Right.
Yeah.
별로 놀라질 않네요.
It's just a minor inconvenience that we are used to.
인도의 실리콘밸리라 불리는 벵갈루루지만 아직도 정전은 매일 반복되고 있습니다.
Oh yeah, it's much better than before. I think like if we had to go back 5 years, like electricity cuts for like 2, 3, 4 hours were pretty common. But then as you know, the government is working towards it, things are getting much better. Like right now it's not as frequent and like
Foreign direct investment.
첨단 빌딩에서 수백만 달러의 투자를 받고 일하지만 건물 밖 세상은 좀처럼 변화가 보이질 않습니다. 그래서 인도 경제는 발전하기 어렵다고들 하지요. 최첨단 IT와 극단적인 빈곤이 공존하는 인도에서 교육받은 젊은이는 돈을 벌지만 대부분의 서민들은 공장이건 회사건 일자리가 없습니다.
Yeah, this is most of India is still developing, and the economy still needs to be strengthened.
yeah, I mean slowly things are changing. So there's always a contrast. In fact, in cities like Mumbai, you'll see like really tall buildings and like slums right next to it. Hopefully it will change, but then right now there's a huge contrast in India.
아주 오래된 이 가난을 해결할 방법은 뭘까? 그 고민이 창업 아이템을 찾게 했고 교육 분야에 집중하게 했습니다. 기술이 법과 제도, 정부의 힘보다 빠르고 강력하다 판단한 겁니다.
So recently we had a lot of our money in this bank called SVB, which crashed. This was like one of the bad sort of financial crises which happened like a couple of weeks back. That was bad because we had most of our money stored there.
There's a banking crisis that's happening. Ukraine-Russia war is going on. So on a micro level, in a 1-2 year span, it is difficult. But if you zoom out and look at a 3, 5, 10 year span, this is India's century, this is India's decade. I would say yes, up until now, this is the most beautiful time of my life. I do hope that this is not the peak and we get more such beautiful moments going forward.
IT 중심의 스타트업은 그동안 인도 경제 성장의 원동력이었습니다. 여긴 대학 스타트업 지원센터인데 일반인도 참여 가능하죠.
So here are some of our early startups that came in 2002 to 2007. And some of them have had very successful exits making millions of dollars, but we kind of stop here. If you look at the number, we kind of stop here because we don't have any more place. We have thousands right now.
지난 20년 동안 컴퓨터 하나 놓고 시작한 스타트업이 유니콘 기업이 되는 사례가 인도에선 100개가 넘었습니다. 그건 소비자가 많다는 뜻이기도 하죠.
예를 들면 2019년도에 그 비리안이라 불리는 인도식 쌀 요리가 있습니다. 이게 우리로 따지면 약간 고기가 들어간 약식 이런 느낌인데 이 비리아니를 만드는 회사가 유니콘 기업에 선정이 됐습니다. 그러니까 유니콘이란 얘기는 기업 가치가 1조 원 조금 넘고 그 다음에 창업한 지 10년 이내 회사인 거잖아요. 그러니까 우리로 따지면 중국집이 약간 고급화 시켰는데 이게 유니콘이 된 거예요. 이게 가능한 이유는 시장의 크기가 크기 때문입니다.
부족한 것이 많고 새로움을 기다리는 사람 또한 어마어마하게 많은 시장. 게다가 인도는 젊습니다.
I think age is on our side.
I mean, India is a very youthful India today. The average age of Indians must be about 20 to 25. I think Indians are very good at adopting technology. So I think our ability to learn, adapt very fast and leverage technology. See, all said and done, no, technology is a leveler and also helps you to scale up very fast. So we are able to adopt technology very well because primarily youth is also there.
अगर लाखों समस्याएं हैं तो 125 करोड़ मस्तिष्क भी हैं जो समस्याओं का समाधान करने का सामर्थ्य रखती है.
요즘 벵갈루루에서 뜨거운 화제의 중심에 있는 회사입니다. 철저한 보안 검색이 긴장하게 만들었는데요. 일반 스타트업과는 분위기가 달랐습니다. 이날은 특별히 중요한 행사가 예정돼 있었죠.
Good evening everyone. This town hall is special because we have concluded one long financial year 22-23. So we'll
사업 실적을 결산하고 우수 부서와 사원을 표창하는 자리. 다들 기대에 찬 표정들이네요.
GMV has grown from 5,000 odd crores in the previous financial year to 13,000 odd crores this year.
지난해 매출이 2조 1천억 원대, 전년도에 비해 2.5배 성장했답니다. 창업 5년 만에 이룬 성과라는 게 놀랍네요.
Hey, I'm Rahul. I'm one of the founders at Zetwork. Zetwork is a manufacturing marketplace. We are a global company with presence in more than 10 countries, but our primary objective is to maximize manufacturing in India. So we have majority of our suppliers in India, as well as we have few of our plants based out of India. I look at consumer electronics as a vertical, and I also look at setting up newer plants for the company for categories where there is lack of supply.
이 성과는 자체 공장을 갖고 제조업에 뛰어들었기에 가능했습니다.
Yeah, so we wanted to start a company in software initially. So when I'd spent around 3 years in the US, that too in the Bay Area, and when I came back, software was pretty like top of mind for most people. But all these customers were asking us, can I use your software to discover new suppliers? And that's when we realized that this is a more immediate today pain point. Let's see if we can address this part of the problem. And that pivot really worked really well for us. We started onboarding lots of new small manufacturers, started introducing them to large companies, and turned out that there was a big need in the market for what we were offering.
반응은 폭발적이었습니다. 제조업은 인도의 오랜 숙제죠. 머리 좋은 인재들 덕분에 IT 분야는 발전하지만 가전, 반도체, 자동차 같은 제조업은 요원했습니다. 그런데 그 어렵다는 걸 시작한 겁니다.
Very interesting because during COVID, few of the customers came to us because shipments were moving from China and they wanted to sell to consumers in India. And hence, they wanted someone to contract manufacture for them. So that was an opportunity. At the same time, the whole world was moving from just China as a strategy to China plus one as a strategy. US is trying to find newer manufacturers. For that matter, Europe is trying to find newer manufacturers. India in itself is growing its manufacturing story. We believe that the potential in this market is to be there for the next 25-30 years.
코로나 시기 중국의 대체 국가로 떠오른 인도. 메이크 인 인디아 정책과도 맞아떨어지면서 눈을 뜬 인도의 제조업이 이제 시동을 걸었습니다. 벵갈루루 도로에 새롭게 등장한 스쿠터. 오토바이보다 작고 디자인이 심플한데 속도는 제법 있어서 따라가 봤습니다. 배터리가 있네요. 그렇다면 이건 전기 스쿠터인데요. 배터리 이용 방법이 특이합니다. 사용한 배터리를 센터에 넣고 앱으로 정보를 전달한 뒤 충전이 완료된 새 배터리를 꺼내갑니다. 그러니까 배터리를 충전해서 사용하는 게 아니라 교체, 대여해가는 방식이네요.
How often do you swap? Like in a week, how many times will you
Sir, I
swap?
usually travel around 80 plus kilometers.
Okay, per day is it?
Per day.
Oh, okay.
I'm a sales representative for one of the financial firm.
Okay.
So I use 80 to 100 kilometers per
Oh,
day.
okay. And you find the swap stations convenient? It is there everywhere you want?
Yes, available.
Okay, okay. Do you want us to put it in more locations?
Yes, sir. That will be
Which area would be helpful?
So somewhere nearby Communally, MG Road, these places will be good
Will be
because I
helpful.
usually travel
Around that area.
배터리 대여, 교체가 가능한 전기 스쿠터. 이거 인도 제품입니다.
We were a rental company. We used to rent scooters which people can use for their daily commute. But then we wanted to move to electric vehicles. We were earlier using fuel scooters, but we wanted to move to electric scooters because the cost of operating an electric scooter is lower, so that the rental that we can charge to the end consumer can also be lower. But unfortunately, we couldn't find a good electric scooter anywhere in India and outside of India.
수입을 할 수 없다면 직접 만들자 결심했죠. 그 결과 1회 충전으로 70km를 주행할 수 있는 제품을 개발했습니다. 그러자 너무 비싸다는 지적이 쏟아졌습니다. 그래서 찾아낸 게 배터리를 빼고 판 다음 대여해주는 배터리 스와핑.
This is the only scooter, like I mentioned, which is compatible with swapping. So we have swapping stations set up across the city, where a user can go swap out his empty battery and put a charged battery and continue his journey without any issue about range anxiety.
이 제품 가격은 우리 돈 100만 원대. 직접 제조하면서 정부 지원도 받았습니다.
What percentage of them are sourced from
Outside of India. See, actually, everything that you see on the scooter is built in India, except the battery cells. India still doesn't manufacture electric battery cells. These are lithium-ion cells, which we currently import. But the entire packing and the IoT protocol built on it is all happening in India.
이 제품은 자동화 설비를 갖춘 공장에서 만들어지고 있습니다. 기존 IT 기술에 제조 역량이 더해지면서 기대주로 급부상 중입니다.
Our plant has a capacity to do about 200,000 scooters a year. So that's the scale at which we would want to manufacture in the years to come. We have a long way to go before we can say Make in India has been successful in the manufacturing sector. But it's important for us to have the mindset. So it's creating a mindset that we now need to make things in India. So that is very helpful.
좋은 제품을 만들게 되면 다음 단계는 뭘까요? 수출입니다. 세계 시장을 노리게 되죠. 두바이에서 무역업을 하는 젊은 인도인을 만났습니다.
It's a bespoke edition, one of 18, only made in the past 105 years. So it's a $1.5 million car.
이 차의 첫 주인은 아버지 다난제이 다타였습니다.
Before this, he was driving. So he's a man who used to actually drive the van, a commercial van which comes for 60,000-70,000 dirhams, and he used to carry 50 kg bags on his back. He used to work as a laborer, and eventually he's gone from a 60,000 dirham car all the way up to a $1.5 million Rolls-Royce. So it's a lot of hard work that's put in it, and that's what makes this car so special to us. So I guess this car just, it's an embodiment of our hard work.
두바이에 이민 와 작은 향신료 가게를 하던 아버지는 30여 년 만에 인도 제품을 수입 판매하는 슈퍼마켓 사장이 되었습니다. 성공 신화를 일군 거지요. 그 사업을 물려받은 26의 재벌 2세는 또 한 번 혁신을 단행합니다. 인도 농산물 수입 판매에서 2차 가공 단계를 추가했습니다.
So this is one of our most selling products. It's called Fool Makhana, popped lotus seeds. It's highly nutritious and it's excellent for losing weight. This is where we make our flour. Normally we do sell packed wheat, as you can see over here, but we always request the customer to give us a few minutes and we make it nice and fresh over here and give it to them in fresh packets so that the customer can have it nice and warm when he takes it home. Over 9,000 Indian products. Alone in flours, we have 100 types of different flours itself, coming from different regions. Even in Indian fasting,
더욱이 인도산 생활용품의 비중을 크게 늘렸습니다. 이 제품들은 모두 인도에서 수입한 것들이죠. 인도 중소기업 제품이 아랍에미리트 전역에서 팔리고 있는 겁니다. 전 세계 슈퍼마켓에서 쉽게 찾아볼 수 있는 건 중국 제품인데 왜 여기선 인도일까요?
Egypt. I've been living here since 8 years. I'm working in Dubai and living here. Yes, I used Chinese products before, but I prefer the Indian products. It's more like widely used in Dubai and the UAE. Yes, I use the Indian house products a lot. It's so familiar to me and it is more like natural. There are no chemicals in the Indian house products, and those products we used to use a long time ago, not only right now, and the prices are really affordable, not that expensive. So I think, yeah, anyone can use and enjoy the Indian house products.
가격 경쟁력을 갖춘 친숙한 제품. 알 아딜 무역은 인도 제품으로 더 많은 시장 진출을 추진 중입니다.
okay, so this is where we opened our first store outside of UAE. It was in Bahrain. Frankly speaking, we were very nervous, and an actress who would do our shop opening, her name was Juhi Chawla.
이런 계획은 과연 성공할까요? 현재 인도는 중동 지역에서 유럽까지 지리적 이점을 최대한 활용, 수출 벨트를 구축하고 있습니다.
Middle East and the western part of India kind of grew together, and given how quickly the entire region exploded in the Middle East, but by and large the centuries of interaction may have been the reason why there has been an export connections between Middle East and largely western part of India. Export things that Indians require in the Middle East, and that is the starting point for getting into the habit of export, understanding how export works. So I may actually not be interested in export, but the fact that I saw there is a need would probably ask my cousin to set up an export firm and start sending things. And once you start the business, and you'll realize that there are other corridors that you can go into, you can start shipping something else.
알 아딜 무역의 직원은 100% 인도인. 그는 인도의 파워를 믿습니다.
Now I see a lot of interest of people, of business people in India, an entrepreneur's mindset. They've entered an entrepreneur's mindset. Now that we're seeing several small businesses being setting up their own distribution hubs and connecting to the ports to be able to export those items. And we, being in Dubai, are able to showcase them to the world.
서남아시아 인도 무역 네트워크가 이제 시작되고 있습니다. 모든 업무가 끝나고 해가 저문 시각. 벵갈루루 블루런 사무실엔 아직 불이 켜져 있네요. 뭔가 기다리고 있는 것 같은데요.
Hey guys, so we hit 200,000 members on Blue Learn, so it's party time!
고대하던 목표가 달성됐다는 소식입니다. 정식 회원 수 20만 명. 이제 더 큰 도약을 위한 토대가 만들어졌습니다.
200K. Okay.
이 젊은이들의 다음 목표가 궁금합니다.
to go global, to go to multiple other countries except India. So we'll target a lot of Asian countries, we'll go to the US, a lot of European countries. So it's to actually become a global company and not just an Indian company.
You don't want to earn money?
Oh, we want to make a lot of money on the process as well.
No, I think we're on track to become the world's first online university where anyone can learn, earn, and network.
Good, you guys should try it.
I think we can take on Facebook and. I'm super bullish on India. I have spent the first 14 years of my life in US and then moved to India in about 8th grade. The problems that can be solved in India are far greater than anywhere else in the world, being an emerging market. If someone gave me some money to invest today, I would probably put it in India rather than any other country. So the next 5 to 10 years will be pivotal when it comes to innovation and technology within the Indian economy, and just very excited to be building for India.
이렇게 기쁜 날 그냥 헤어질 순 없겠죠. 이곳은 요즘 벵갈루루의 핫플레이스로 등장한 맥주를 파는 식당입니다. 빈자리를 찾을 수 없을 정도로 만원입니다. 우리에겐 흔하고 익숙하지만 인도에선 아주 놀랍고 신기한 풍경입니다. 공개된 식당에서 맥주를 마신다는 이런 문화가 그동안 인도엔 없었습니다.
We are drinking a draft beer. No, it wasn't.
I think roughly about 2-3 years back, a lot of micro and large breweries in India and Bangalore started taking place. Places that manufacture their own beer.
I have recently gotten a very nice taste of like techno, and techno was unheard of in India at least maybe 10-15 years ago, and a lot of people are very quickly adopting it, and I think this is just Gen Z. If you wait for Gen Alpha and then you wait for the next generations, the gap is just going to close. But a lot of my friends, I have 2 or 3 friends, they love K-pop, they love Korean shows, they love anime.
인도의 젊은이들이 인도에서 세계와 소통하고 있습니다.
Next office we're opening.
Next, yeah, we will also come to Korea now.
소수의 천재들이 뿌린 씨앗이 14억 인도인의 자생의 발판이 되어 무럭무럭 자라고 있습니다. 지금 인도는 경제 일꾼을 키우는 거대한 학교이자 공장입니다.